Hello friends, welcome back to the one video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to upload guys Technophone setting guys, and today video title guys how to enable aeroplane mode in Technophone and how to use it. Friends, you want to enable aeroplane mode in your Technophone, so how to enable it today friends I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video friend. First of all open your phone setting to enable aeroplane mode. So friends, I will on my phone setting, and guys, first of all guys click on your search bar and guys direct guys we will enable aeroplane modes. As you can see aeroplane mode guys, we will search here and get direct guys you can enable easily. As you can see I have connected Wi-Fi network. After enable guys Wi-Fi network will remove on screen, and friends your all mobile network will off, and friends you cannot use guys your phone setting, this phone call setting guys you cannot use. So friends, now let's see how to connect Wi-Fi in aeroplane mode. Let's see, open your phone setting first of all, and guys click on guys your Wi-Fi setting. Once you can see Wi-Fi is off, first of all we will on. So friends, I have saved network. So guys, next guys, first of all guys, I will forget, and friends now you can see guys I don't have any Wi-Fi network and my aeroplane mode is enabled, and guys I want to use internet in my Technophone example like Wi-Fi. So first of all guys select any Wi-Fi network and guys enter the Wi-Fi password. After enter Wi-Fi password friends, you can see we can use Wi-Fi network in aeroplane mode. When it will take time guys, we will have to wait here. Could not connect network. Again guys tap on Wi-Fi, enter password, and friends connect. Friends, you can see Wi-Fi has connected, and guys now we can use this Wi-Fi network while operating any app in airplane mode. Friends, you can use Wi-Fi network, you can connect, you can pair any Wi-Fi network, and guys you can use your Technophone. So like that guys we can use airplane mode setting like that. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye bye guys. Friends, you want to disable, you don't want to use airplane mode, so you can disable also from your phone. More connection setting guys you can disable from here, and guys now you can use your mobile network will on, and once your phone's call will on, and guys you can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.